Good morning, children. This morning session is dedicated to class 10 and we are discussing question answers from the lesson Madam Rides the Bus. This is a beautiful lesson. Madam Rides the Bus. We are going to discuss the story Madam Rides the Bus. Madam Rides the Bus by Valiama Valley-Canaan. This is a story of an 8-year-old girl, and we are going to talk about some question answers of this lesson. Who was Valley? Why did she keep standing in front of the door? Valley was an 8-year-old girl. Her full name was Valiamai. She was an 8-year-old girl who was very curious to know the world outside. She often, stood in front of her doorway and looked outside the street and all the things happening in front of her. Her favorite pastime was standing in front of the door. As there were no playmates of her age, she had no one to play with, and therefore she often stood at the doorway of her house and watched the sight outside. That was her favorite pastime. Second question: what was the most fascinating thing that Valley saw in the street? The most fascinating thing that Valley saw on the street was the bus that traveled from her street to the nearest town. The most fascinating thing that Valley saw on the street was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It, passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and second time coming from the town. So the favorite sight, or the most fascinating sight that she saw was the traveling of the bus between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street every hour, once going to the town and once coming back. How did Valley gather all the information about the bus? Over many days and months, she had been asking questions from her neighbors about the time that it took to reach the town and return journey, and the cost of fare one way and the other. And she talked to her neighbors, who actually always interacted with the regular passengers of the bus. So she had gathered information from her neighbors by talking to them and asking some discreet questions to them. She had listened carefully to the conversation between her neighbors and the people who regularly, use the bus. She also asked a few discreet questions here and there. This way, she had gathered all the details, all the minute information about the bus journey. Where was the town located? What was the fare to travel there by bus? The town was located 6 miles away from her village, and the fare to travel one way was 30 pies. That means the total cost was 60 pies to and fro, and the trip to the town took 45 minutes only. The trip to the town took only 45 minutes. Why did Valley keep on planning and calculating? Valley kept on planning and calculating which bus to take and how much time it will take, because she wanted to travel the same day and come back the same day. She even asked some regular, questions regarding the trip of the bus. How did Valley save money to travel by bus? Valley had saved money by restricting herself from going to the village fair, buying peppermints, toys, balloon, and even riding on merry-go-round. She had kept herself away from the temptation of buying all these things, and thus she had saved money for the bus journey. How was the interior and exterior? It was a new bus, and outside it was painted gleaming white with some green strips along the side. The inside of the bus was quite luxurious and velvet like. There was a beautiful clock above the windshield, and its seats were soft and luxurious. How was the view outside the bus when it was running through? The view outside was very beautiful. There there were trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. The other side of the road was a deep ditch on an acres and acres of green lands could be seen there. She even saw a cow running in front of the bus, and she clapped just to see that. Why did the conductor want Valley to sit? The conductor initially told Valley to sit because he told her that she might fall and hurt herself, so it's better she should sit. And this is the most important question that we are going to discuss now, that people and surroundings are a great book to learn. Valley, in this lesson, Madam rides the bus, learns a lot from others, help her to learn from her surroundings. Valley dreams of riding a bus. The bus journey was a dream for her. Her wish became a strong desire, and then she started asking questions to her neighbors. Her curiosity made her completely fascinated with the bus journey. The curiousness led her to listen to the conversation of her people who were going to ride the bus and ask discreet questions to them. She could even gather information about how much time did it take to reach the town and to come back again. So Valley gathered all minute details of the bus journey. She behaved naturally. She did not consider herself as a child. She just behaved like an adult. She focused on fulfilling her dream and did not get tempted to go outside the bus and explore the town when the bus reached the town. On the return journey, she learned about death when she came to terms with the dead cow. This made her aware of the fact that death is a part of life and should be accepted as it is natural. So she learned in number of things. First of all, she learned about the time taken by the bus to reach the and come back. She also gathered information about the fare. She also learned about which bus she should take so that she should come back soon. So she decided to take 1 o'clock bus. The bus took 45 minutes to reach the town, and so she had decided to go by the bus. Her her sight, when she saw the things outside like the palm trees, the canal, the green grassland, and everything that she saw, the distant mountain, everything fascinated her. She learned to see the things outside, that the outside world is beautiful and it is fascinating. She also saw the same cow that was running in front of the bus while she was going, and the same cow was lying dead. So she learned about the bitter reality, that death is the bitter reality of life, and that is quite natural. So having seen the cow, she was quite sad and upset, and she didn't want to see outside the window. While coming back, she never looked out of the window because she was quite upset to see the cow lying dead. But she realized that death is the bitter reality of life, and it is quite natural. So these are the things she learned. So traveling outside her house made her enough learning. She could see the beautiful world outside. She could learn about things and people. She could see how the people in the bus, the passengers, behave, how the conductor made her sit and address her, madam. She didn't seem like a child. She behaved like an adult, and that is the reason why the conductor addressed him, madam. She was full of knowledge and information before riding the bus and after riding the bus. So this really suggests that the travel outside the world is a book of knowledge, and it gives us all the information. Thank you. Have a nice day.